merong dalawang organizing principles na ang tawag ay chain of command at saka command responsibility. Yung chain of command describes the escalation of authority, no? You are responsible and accountable to your direct boss, your supervisor. And then your supervisor is responsible to and accountable to their immediate boss. Yun yung chain of command, diba? At yung command responsibility naman ay bilang isang supervisor or manager, you are responsible for and accountable for the people who report to you directly. Oo, ganun dapat yun. Ngayon, nasisira yung principle na yon kapag ka yung mga managers ina-undermine yung authority na binigay nila doon sa kanilang direct reporting na supervisor, yung one down nila. Kapag ka mina-micromanage nila yung tao nung kanilang mga supervisors, so they end up supervising themselves, no? That's called undermining authority. Dapat ang focus ng manager ay doon sa pag-increase ng capability ng mga supervisors rather than take over. That's very ineffective. Ngayon, bypassing naman yung tawag kapag yung mga empleyado reporting to a supervisor goes directly to the manager. And it's bad when the manager entertains it rather than, say, okay, I'll bring this up to your supervisor, or I prefer that you go to your supervisor about this. Diba? So, yung chain of command at saka yung command responsibility ay merong logical purpose. May logical reason. It's important for supervisors and managers to honor them, to commit to them, and deal with issues related to them in the right manner, to avoid confusion, bypassing, and undermining. Mas malinaw, mas maayos ang organization kapag tama ang coordination.